All right, Mr. Barnett here. Problems. So on this one, we have n plus 6 equals 7 minus 2n. So let me pull my little document camera up here. And let's take a look. Okay, so like I said, we have all right. N plus 6 equals 7 plus 2n. You want to get your variables on one side, your numbers on the other. I'm going to put my variables on the left side. So subtract 2n on both sides. N minus 2n would be what? Negative 1n plus 6 equals 7. Okay. So now we have negative 1n plus 6 equals 7. Remember, always do your subtraction, addition first. So subtract 6 on both sides. You're going to get negative n equals 7 minus 6. That would be 1. And now we're not completely finished because you can't have a negative n. So what you want to do is divide both sides by negative 1. And you're going to get n equals negative 1. And that is number 1. Let's see if we can do a different one here. Number 4. So that was number 1. You want to take a quick look at it, you can pause the video there. And then what we'll do is number 4. Number 4, we have 5 plus 5x equals x minus 2 minus 5. So first I noticed I need to combine my like terms on the right side because you have a negative 2 and a negative 5. So let's just bring this down. Negative 2 minus 5 would be negative 7, right? Negative 2 minus 5 is negative 7. Now we have a regular multi-step equation like we had up there in the first example. So what I want to do is I want to get my x's on one side, my numbers on the other. So I'm going to subtract x on both sides. That's going to give you 5 plus 4x equals negative 7. Okay, so we have a positive 5 plus 4x equals negative 7. Take away 5 on both sides. You're going to get 4x equals negative 7 minus 5. So negative 7, negative 8, negative 9, negative 10, negative 11, negative 12. So 4x equals negative 12. One-step equation. 4 times x, you're going to divide by 4. So you're going to get x equals negative 12 divided by 4. That would be negative 3. Okay, negative 3. So number 4 is negative 3. I'll leave that there. You all can pause it and take a look. Okay, so Mr. Barnett back here. So number 6 says Maria bought 7 boxes. A week later, half of all of her boxes were destroyed in a fire. There are now only 22 boxes left. All right, so we know, first of all, we know we have 22 boxes left. That's where our first equals is going to be, okay? And we know that that answer is the amount of her boxes plus the 7 she bought divided by 2, okay? Because it's half of them, right? So what we have is the number of boxes she had plus 7, because she bought 7 more, and half of them got destroyed. So you divide it by 2, okay? And that's how you set that one up. So to get rid of the denominator, you're going to multiply both sides by 2. Okay, 2 times 22, that would be 44, right? Equals x plus 7. Now we have a one-step equation. Subtract 7 on both sides. X is going to equal 44 minus 7 would be 37. Okay, so that is number 6. Let's see if we can do another one. All right, so Somali won 40 super bouncy balls playing horseshoes at her school's game last night. Later, she gave 2 to each of her friends. She only has 8 remaining. How many friends does she have? So she has 40 minus 2 times x equals 8. Okay, so she started with 40, and she gave away 2 to each friend. Friend is the variable, so x is your variable. 2 times your amount of friends is going to be how many you gave away. So this one's pretty straightforward. Two-step equation. Subtract 40 on both sides. So you're going to get negative 2x equals 8 minus 40. That would be negative 32. And now you're going to divide both sides by negative 2. So x equals what? That would be 16. Negative 32 divided by negative 32 divided by negative 2, that would be 16. So let's see if that's right. 40 minus 2 times 16 equals 8. So it's 40 minus what? 32 equals 8. 8 equals 8. So that is true. And that was number 7. So if you want to pause the video there, take a look at what I did. You're mainly just pulling the numbers out, trying to come up with the equation for it. There's 2 examples of it. So if you need more help, please feel free to reach out. Hope this helps you all. Thank you.